Welcome, we'll highlight the top 5 products that have the potential to significantly increase your dropshipping business sales. This is your professional dropshipping agent, SourcinBox. Let's get started. The first one is the Collapsible Camping Storage Basket. Storage baskets increase in Google searches signals a great profit potential. In the varied storage basket category, we especially recommend you sell outdoor ones. The consistent passion for outdoor adventure activities ensures that the camping supplies market remains a sustainable and profitable niche. This folded storage basket, with a space-saving and large-capacity design, perfectly meets the camping storage needs of outdoor enthusiasts. If you run an online shop for camping gear, don't wait to add this must-have item to your offerings today. These features help you grow the repurchase rate and attract a larger customer base. Large capacity, easy to use and clean, multifunctional and foldable design. Next, we get the car key case, which is popular among car owners. Increase in automotive accessory heat, suggesting its robust demand, and you can never fail to find customers. With its impressive TikTok views, the car key case shows substantial market potential. As the vehicle market evolves, the demand for car accessories is also expected to grow at a considerable rate. This product stands out due to the high demand, stylish and customizable options, and compact size, which is easy to ship. Get this wonderful car accessory for your dropshipping store to gain more sales. Easy to install, wide compatible, light and durable material. The third one is the pet butterfly costume wings. The popularity of pet supplies remains strong, showing the product has a stable and large demand from the market. Pets are always contained in Halloween celebrations for dropshippers selling pet supplies online. Cute appearance with a festive atmosphere and lightweight design to perfectly meet the needs of Halloween pet costumes. Adjustable size, lightweight material, easy to use and clean. Look, the fourth one is the portable blender. You can easily find videos about this item with millions of views on TikTok. Such impressive views indicate its great popularity and consumer demand. This compact item is perfect for an on-the-go lifestyle and is gaining popularity among health-conscious consumers. It meets the demand for quick, nutritious meals and has strong sales potential due to its practicality and daily usefulness. Including it in store's kitchen essentials list is a wise choice. Never miss out on this pet costume wing. Food-grade material. Safe and portable design, USB rechargeable battery. Import this item to your dropshipping store from SourcinBox for much profit. The last one is the Rotatable Colander, a good helper in the kitchen. Its unique rotating design streamlines kitchen tasks, making it ideal for the growing demand for cooking convenience. This innovative tool is perfect for modern cooks seeking practical solutions. Introducing this versatile item to your product lineup can help boost sales and attract a wider audience. If you're running a kitchen supply store online, add the promising product to your offering now to expand margins. Easy to clean. Premium material. Multifunctional and ergonomic design.